Lee from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing here, and today I've come back to the Whitewater Rapids River of Chesterfield. The water is a lot lower than it has previously been in the last day or so, and I'm going to do part 2 of Whitewater Rapid fishing. I'm going to show you where I'm going to be as well, from both angles, and then I'll get on with it. So I hope everyone's okay. So this video has been sponsored by Dave's Store. So that's www.davesstore.co.uk, and if you type that in, it'll go over to an eBay link where you can buy products that Dave makes, and this will be a sponsor that I will be doing for a while. davesstore.co.uk, and there's gloves and things like that on site, all useful products. So just here, the water's still very fast. It is raining, but just down there, that is all bubbling up with the undercurrent. The trash is still here. I'm hoping when the water's lower I can recover all that. So I'll just show you the other side. So this tree here, that's what I'm going to be tied off to. And that's the Whitewater Rapids. And even the side, it's coming down very fast through the old sluice and weir. So just here, where the water is grey, just off that white patch, that's the minecart. But it is a bit calmer down there. So here we are, Whitewater Rapids. So because it is slippery, I'm going to be sitting down to film. So I'm just on the edge of Whitewater Rapids. So I'm going to be casting out here. Couple of bits of rebar. Well, quite a few bits of rebar. And on that one, we've just got bits of wire and nuts, bits of general metal, general scraps. Right, nothing on that one. So on this one, we've just got huge natural magnetic rock, bit of cast, bits of scraps, bit of wire. Oh, I can't believe I literally just treed it right in front of me. And it's caught. Big piece of magnetic cast and a nail. Bonus. Okay, I just felt something move there. It's definitely moving. On that one, got a large magnetic rock and a bit of plate iron. So on that one, as you can see, large piece of plate iron, and this one, lots of magnetic rock, wire, general iron. So on that one, I just got a bit of metal foot plate and bit of a window frame. So on that one, I just got a big piece of pipe there, big other bit of pipe, some magnetic piece, possibly shrapnel. We got a small bottle cap that's rusted, bits of wire, general iron. Oh, I'm getting bad at this. Shall I try again? You know, I mean, literally the tree's just at the side of me. Only I'm lucky enough to catch trees on such a regular basis. So on this one, it's got a massive piece of plate iron. Now it is raining again, so this will be my last cast, and I'm going to move all the scrap to a higher location and move to a spot just above where I am. And on this one, again, we've just got large pieces of magnetic rock. So I've just moved up a bit more, a few metres, and I'm going to fish here in a moment and just have a break. So I would like to say, mention to the group Disabled Magnet Fishing, and I'm now a representative for that, for the Derbyshire area in England. And already there's also reps in Somerset and Dorset with towpath dippers, Southwest, Mad Hatter, magnet fishing and mudlarking. There's representatives over in Scotland, in Australia and in several states in America. And we would like to hear from more people in USA and Europe, even in Wales and in Ireland, to be representatives over there. So what the channel's about is it's for posting videos, for raising awareness for any disability, because disabilities, they aren't actually something to be looked on as something that's bad. It's something that gives us inner strengths. It's also something that makes us unique, and it can create hidden abilities, and those disabilities can be turned into advantages. And even mental health, it's a thing that is classed as a disability, and just being outside, by being in nature at the waterside, it just makes you feel somewhat better for some reason. So yeah, please go over to Facebook and check that out, and its page is on as Disabled Magnet Fishing International, and I will be displaying the banner for that, and I will talk more about that. It's a brand new group, but please go over, show some support, and let's get this out there and make this a group that everybody knows about. It's for the benefit of everybody. So on that, thing to do with mental health can be posted on the group. If you do the 7 at 7 in 7 challenge, that can also be posted on there. So on this one, we've just got this metal cable tie and cable wire. So that's probably from an old colliery pit winding rope. Lots of general scrap as well on there. Yeah, that were interesting. Don't think I've had one of them before. Just shows you never know what you're going to get when you magnet fish. And on this one, we've just got out of the silt bottom there, look. We've got bits of magnetic cast. Got remains of a piece of a nail, flathead type. Got this huge bar, a bit of a bolt, and that's encrusted out of the silt, and it's got stones on it. So we've got a bit of bar, nail, and we've got, again, out of the silt level, we've got all this big ingot. Nice. Wow, look what's coming up here. So we've just got out, or we will have in a second, that pipe, plastic pipe, has just come out of the river. So glad I can remove stuff like that. But on the actual metalware that come up, we've got nails, older nails, big lump of cast, some nut, some bolts, general metal, and a piece of shrapnel. Lots of general scraps. Well, I'm happy that has come out. It's a lot of waste that's removed out of the river. That can create entanglements and blockages in there. So we've got very light rain. That's absolutely fine. So let's go again. So the history of this particular place, that there used to be a mill in the area, a corn grinding mill, in the 1750s. And when that went out of use, there was a factory built here, a big steelworks, and that starts operating from the late 1850s, and by the 1860s it had become a company called Markham Works, and they did have several companies linked to them, and they operated right the way through to the 1990s. The company did actually hire many personnel. It's said that they did break up, as well as making military vehicles, trains, wagons, colliery equipment. And on that one, we've got out of the silt level, we've just got this piece in the clay, and it's bolts just there. On this one, we've got a massive piece of magnetic rock there, bits of wire, big ding ding. So ding ding, and check out Adventures with Sonic on YouTube and most other platforms of social media, and just general waste as well on that one. So magnet fishing is a relaxing hobby, and just like angling for fish, it's calming being next to the water. I mean, if you just listen, often you hear nature from the birds and the other animals that are generally around, that sometimes you forget about. And it's just nice to be out and help the environment along the way by recovering bits out of the waterways. It's been known that it has helped a lot of people over the time that magnet fishing's been going. So on this one, another piece of curved cast that could also be a piece of shrapnel, and lots of just iron debris. So the iron debris is going to be furnace waste and iron that's broken down over the years. Okay, got something on that one. So on that particular cast, big square ingot. Definitely something on this one. Oh yes. Again, it's out of the base. That's where the silt levels are here. So that's the stuff that's been trapped previously. And what we've got there is furnace cast, bolts, ingots, stones all mashed together. That's been down there a great many years. We've got this big bolt with a nut on it there. That's different. Couple items on that. So on that one, we've just got this bar, and we've just had this block. Again, it's out of the silt level, so that's the real history, that is. And it's sloped, so that could be part of a bridge strut or a bit of a tool. That had come off as well. Bit of old leather. And on this one, big piece of magnetic rock, but that could be holding something inside. Bolt. Bit of cast iron bar or bolt. Bits of nail. Magnetic. Contains an item, don't know what it is. I'm going to go wide on this, see what we get. I know for a fact if there's some very heavy magnet in here, it would be getting much more than I'm currently getting. I'm still happy. You know, everything out of the water is a bonus. So on that one, just lots of magnetic rock. Oh, come on then. One more cast. Okay, this is going to be the last cast of the day. I'm thinking about using an Evo 80, and I know that would actually do quite well. There is bits in here that are big, and they are literally in need of bigger magnets, but they'll come out one day. So on this, it's out of the silt levels, and what we've got here is general bits of metal plate where they'd have been bolted through the centre. But look at that, there's a clamp there. Nice. All straight out of the early silt level. Just there. So it's getting quite cold. It is raining a bit. Scrap has been removed. All there, all removed. Okay, that was part 2 of Whitewater Rapids magnet fishing. Again, very tiring, but quite a few bits recovered, and then there was that pipe recovered as well, and that's gone into the dustbin. Scraps all removed. I'm rather tired, so I'm going to call it a day and I'm going to go home. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and thanks again for watching. This is Lee from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing. Bye for now, everyone.